Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Namo Buddhaya, Om Swastiastu. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges and distinguished adjudicator, and also the timekeeper, and also good morning to my worthy opponent. My name is Nicholas Gabriel Harefa, and I will be representing my school, SMA REGINA CAELI, in this National School Debate Championship. I will be coming from West Java. First of all, before we begin, let us all thank God for allowing us to gather here in health and in good safety. I will play the role as the first speaker from the government team in the motion today. So, before I begin with my arguments, first I would like to tell you what the motion is. So, the motion: this House would arrange students in classrooms based on their intelligence and academic performance rather than their age. Okay, now I will explain the motion. The key words here are intelligence, arrangement, and age. Intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, and make judgments based on reason. The second one is arrangement. Arrangement is an action or process that is the result of an arrangement or arranging. Now, age. Age is the length of time a person or a thing has lived. Okay, first of all, as we all know, students have a high variety in the levels of their intelligence. Some students are exceptionally more intelligent than others, while some are less. So here we are going to talk about students with different intelligence levels. I will make an example of students with higher intelligence levels being grouped up with their own peers, which also have higher levels of intelligence. For an example, as we all know, Cendekiawan Surya Atmaja is an Indonesian child who is aged 14 years old, but he is already capable of joining the university in the University of Waterloo, Canada. This is a small example for an intelligent student being grouped up with other students that have the same level of intelligence than him. But why should we do that? What is the basis of this? First of all, I would like to tell you the base of law. In this case, a common known phrase, which is acceleration, in which a student can jump several levels or finish a level higher than normal students. This acceleration is based on the Indonesian law number 20, the year 2003, chapter 4, section 5, article number 4. To summarize this article, it is very highly permitted and deserving for a child with higher level intelligence to skip, or as we know it as accelerate, from classes and schools, as Cendekiawan Surya Atmaja has done in the example I have provided. And to prove more to this point, if students are grouped based on age, we would not achieve the benefit of a higher level of intelligent student. It would be a waste of time for the children with higher levels of intelligence, and also it will be a waste of time for the teachers. Why? Because, first of all, there will be no challenge for the child with higher level of intelligence, as he is grouped with his age that has a less level of intelligence. And also, children with less level of intelligence, if grouped up with a child with higher level intelligence, they will achieve a low self-esteem, and even they could possibly be depressed. It would be hard to teach all those children with different intellectual capabilities for the teacher. It will be hard because, as the points that I have stated before, there is no challenge for the child with higher level of intelligence, while the children with less level of intelligence need to start from the basics. And also, the student with higher level of intelligence might have a less level of intelligence. Why? Because of peer pressure. For an example, a child with high level of intelligence, he is in class with children his age with a regular level of intelligence. And these kids with regular level of intelligence have different things that they do every day. They do different things, and these things of course include playing, especially in elementary school and junior high school. This kid with higher level intelligence may not may not play as much as them, but because of peer pressure, then the child with higher level of intelligence will often play with them, therefore disregarding his own studies, which may make him not develop or even downgrade into a regular level of intelligence, which is detrimental for that child's future. Another point I would like to point out is it will benefit the higher level intelligent child if they were to be accelerated or grouped up in classes that have the same level of intelligence to him or her. Because the faster he develops through grades, classes, and ranks, all the way up to university and into the working world, it will be faster for Indonesia to achieve a sort of feedback from the child to develop Indonesia's nationality from different sections of our lives, such as economy, politics, social, and many more. It will be faster also for the child with higher level of intelligence to serve the country and achieve international achievements, such as we know, Cendekiawan Surya Atmaja reaching the university level at Canada, the University of Waterloo, in just 14 years old. If we take it to another side of this argument, if a student with less intelligence is in a class with students with regular level of intelligence, that student with less intelligence will find it difficult to adapt and study because he is incapable of following with the teachers and the rest of his peers. So, that is all the arguments for me, but I would like to re-explain it very fast and then summarize it afterwards. So, acceleration and the arrangement of students with higher level of intelligence with students with other higher level of intelligence is of course based by law, the Indonesian law number 20 from the year 2003, chapter 4, section 5, article 4. And as I have explained, if we combine these students with higher level of intelligence with lower levels of intelligence, they will face many problems for every party, especially the student with higher level of intelligence. And it will be much faster for Indonesia to receive feedback from this child if he goes through acceleration. To summarize, it will be really hard if students are combined by ages, and it will be very easy for life if students are combined and arranged by intellectual levels. As I have explained in my points before, it will be hard for higher level intelligent students and also lower level intelligent students. So that will be all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. I apologize if I have made any mistakes. Thank you for your attention.